Hello friends, welcome to my channel. If you are facing problems with Apache server in Xampp, when you click on start, then it tries to start the server but failed, giving an error. Then I am having a quick and easy solution for you. It gives an error that Apache shut down unexpectedly. Then again browse to the location where Xampp is installed. As I have installed in Drive C, just close the Xampp window and run the Xampp control panel as administrator. Then you will see two small red crosses on the left-hand side. Then click on each cross. It will ask you to install Apache and MySQL as a service. Click on the Yes button when prompted. Now close all the open windows and tabs. All done. Now you have to just restart your PC. Now we have restarted our PC. Let's see if our fix worked or not. Open the Xampp control panel again. Yeah, here it goes. Both the Apache and MySQL services are running. Cheers. Please subscribe and share my videos if you found it helpful. Thanks for watching.